Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. It's finally fan art time, and because these fan art videos always take me so long to make because I'm so busy trying to draw as much as possible for you, I thought that it would be good to just clump everything together. So I'm going to be showing you today fan art that I got over the mail and also in the email. But before we start, I wanted to give a very special shout out to a bunch of really loving, sweet, and loyal cuties. I'm sure many of you already know these cuties. They're always there, rain or shine, no matter what I draw, good or bad, or even if they're interested or not in drawing it, they always show up to comment. And I'm just so appreciative of that. And not only do they comment, but they help all the other cuties, and they're just so sweet and supportive of each other and everyone in the comments. So I just want to thank you, and I just picked 10 today. There's many cuties that deserve a shout out, but just today I wanted to give these 10 special cuties an extra shout out. So here we go. Like I said, you probably know them already, but the first one is Mira and Mishka. Hi! And there's Farhana, Noah, Georgia, Ave, Irvi, Mimi, Reagan, Paris, and last but not least, Camille. Thank you so much, sweeties, sweet cuties, for always being there for me and for all the other cuties. And now to finally see some fan art. So I just picked a little bit from all the mail that I got to show you today. And this one here, the first one is from Quinn. She drew the moon goddess from over the moon. And not only did she draw this, she drew me. Yay! And she's only 5. Isn't this amazing? Awesome drawing. Thank you so much, Quinn. And then there is, I hope I'm not butchering your name, I think that's Nuba. Right here, thank you. And this is from Kayla. Obviously, she loves unicorns. And then this is from Lydia. Yum, right? And this one right here, I think is from Kaya. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. And she drew herself right here. So cute. And last but not least, this comes all the way from Ireland. This is so awesome. She drew my logo, but here we go. She drew so many things. The lemonades. This is so good, right? Yummy. And oops, sorry. Oh my goodness, they're backwards. I should have been more prepared. This one right here is a bunny. And my fall girl. Pusheen, of course. And here, now it's right? And last one, another Pusheen. I'm so glad you love all the Pusheen drawings that I've drawn for you over the years. And so that's it for all the ones that I got in the mail. And now I'm going to show you a bunch that I got in the email. And if you see your fan art in this video, definitely comment below and let me know. So here we go. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at all these beautiful drawings in this batch of fan art, and I definitely hope to make another fan art video very soon, because you cuties just deserve to have your drawings shown off, and I'm so proud of you. And thank you always for taking the time to send them to me. And my email and also the mailing address is in the descriptions below, so check that out if you want to send me something. And I just really look forward to seeing your fan art. It really inspires me to keep doing what I do, and it makes me so happy to know that I'm helping you and inspiring you as well. Thank you, cuties, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.